New Zealand volcano eruption 2018. Will Mount Taranaki erupt? When will volcano blow? A disastrous volcanic eruption could happen in New Zealand, following the devastating eruptions in Hawaii and Guatemala. But when is Mt Taranaki likely to erupt? A New Zealand volcano is almost certain to erupt in the next 50 years. The Taranaki Civil Defense Emergency Management (CDEM) said it was not a matter of if Mt Taranaki erupted but when. Authorities have begun training an army of 500 volunteers for the time the volcano erupts and for major weather events. Civil Defense Group manager said scientists are seeing an increase in the likelihood of an eruption over the next 50 years. He said, technically it's termed a quiescent stage. It's not dormant but not actively erupting. The risk of eruption is only 3% in any year, and the mountain was classed as a moderate very high hazard for the Taranaki region and a hazard of national significance. The consequences of the volcano eruption could be catastrophic, according to authorities. The report said, an eruption of Mt Taranaki could produce volcanic hazards such as tephra falls, pyroclastic density currents, lava flows, lahars, flooding, debris avalanches, sector collapses, lightning and volcanic gases.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.